everyone. We're going to find the local extreme values of the graph of f of x equals log of x divided by x to the power of 4. So basically we're looking for horizontal tangents by taking the first derivative and setting it to 0. For this video, we're just going to look at the graph after we're done to determine if it's a minimum or maximum. You can also do second derivatives, but for this one, we're just going to look at the graph using the calculator. So to find the exact values for your local extreme value, we want to take the first derivative here and set it to 0. So we're going to have to use the quotient rule. So we have f prime of x, and we're going to take the derivative of log of x, which is 1 divided by x, times the denominator, minus your numerator, log of x, times the derivative of your denominator, which is going to be 4x cubed. And then this is all going to be divided by your denominator squared. Now let's clean up the numerator here. This right here is just going to be x cubed minus, and I'm going to put him in front, so 4x cubed minus, or no, times log of x, like that. All right, and in the denominator we have x to the power of 8. Now let's go ahead and factor out x cubed. So if you factor out x cubed, this is going to equal x cubed, and then we're going to have 1 minus 4 log of x. And then denominator, I can break this up, x cubed times x to the power of 5. So these cancel. So our f prime of x is just going to equal 1 minus 4 log of x divided by x to the power of 5. Or just x, x to the power of 5. Now we set this to 0. So we set this to 0. When you cross multiply, the denominator goes away. We have basically 1 minus 4 log of x equals 0. And then when you solve for x, you're going to get log of x equals 1/4. And then we can rewrite this in exponential form. We can write x equals e to the power of 1/4. All right, so that's your x value. To find your min or max value, we have to substitute this back in to our original equation. And that's going to be your min or max value. So let's do that. We're going to, I already did the graph here. Like I said, it's going to be based off a graph. The horizontal tangent is going to occur in here somewhere where your x is e to the power of 1/4, like that. I just made the graph kind of big so you can see it. It gets really close to the x-axis here, and it would be really hard to do this otherwise. So let's go ahead and find out what my y value is, because that's going to be your maximum value. So we're going to do f of e to the power of 1/4. So this is going to give you log of e to the power of 1/4 divided by e to the power of 1/4 divided to the power of 4. So I just substituted in my x here. All right, now I'm going to use my power property and bring this 1/4 here. And log of e is just a 1. So that's just going to be 1. I'll just go ahead and write out log of e. This equals 1. And then denominator is just going to be e. So basically, when I rewrite this and change this to 1, our f of e to the power of 1/4 is going to be 1 divided by, and you can move this 4 down here, 4e. So this is your maximum value, because we have a maximum at this tangent. This is your maximum value at x equals e to the power of 1/4. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.